Okay, so thank you and welcome again to this journey of growing a small crypto wallet and seeing what growth looks like on a small budget over a period of time. So our wallet is down a little from yesterday. We're down 0.85% today, so there's been a loss of $2.37. So we're still kind of sitting around the $280 mark in this wallet. And if you're just joining the journey, in this wallet, we're just trying to see what growth looks like with a small budget. So if you're someone that doesn't have a lot of money to put into crypto and you're thinking, is it really worth it? Well, I'm sharing this journey with you to see whether it is worth it, right? This is a wallet that, as you can see, I think most people watching can probably afford $200 to get started, and maybe all you can afford is between $10 and $50 a week in terms of what you can afford to invest into buying more. And please understand that this isn't any advice from me to buy any of these currencies or these cryptos. This is just me sharing my journey and trying to encourage people that don't have a huge budget, that it's still worth putting something into your future, even if it's just a little bit, and seeing how that grows over time. And so that's what we're doing with this particular journey. So currently we're sitting around $284, and what we're holding, we're holding a bit of CRO, which is the native token on the crypto.com exchange. We've got predominantly XRP, we've got some BUNC, some Hedera, and some Solana. And I think I'll be mainly buying XRP. And you guys will know what I'm buying because I'm going to show it to you whenever I make a new purchase. So like right now, I'm going to buy a little bit more of XRP. And we're going to be just tracking that journey and see what our account is looking like. Like right now, we're sitting at around $284. But 6 months from now, what's that going to look like, right? And that's the whole point. So you can see, okay, 6 months ago, his account was sitting at 280. 6 months later, it's sitting at, let's say we're at 500. That means we've pretty much doubled, right? So you can kind of see what that looks like. And then look at it in your own mind, like, oh, if I had put in X amount, right, and it's growing by X percentage, this is what I would have made. And maybe that incentivizes you to take some action, which is the ultimate goal. Okay, so, and like I said, you don't have to risk too much. In fact, I don't recommend you risking too much. I recommend you starting very little, right, and then just gradually building up your holding. So let me make another purchase of $10 of XRP. What I'm going to do is just flip that around, and then I'm going to just change that to $10. CAD account selected. So we're going to be buying in just under 3 XRP. But something, like I said, is better than nothing. Okay. And let's confirm that. Put in our PIN. Let it do its thing. And boom, we've purchased $10 more of XRP. And in the next video, I'll probably maybe be making another purchase, and we'll continue to repeat this cycle. But I do encourage you to follow along, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and just come on this journey with me. Come on this journey with me. Let's go through this journey together. I want to be here to encourage and support you on this journey. Maybe you're just venturing into crypto. You don't have a lot, but you want to take advantage of some of the gains that people are making without taking too much of a risk. This is a low risk way into it by just allocating $10 to $50 a week to purchase. And you don't have to purchase what I'm purchasing. I'm going with XRP on this particular account, but I also hold some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, Solana, Sui, obviously XRP, Bonk, HBAR, right? But I'm not asking you to buy any of these. I'm buying those because those are the ones that I've done some research into, and I have a lot of confidence in them. And so because of the research I've done and the confidence I have in them, I can ride the volatility of the market based on what I know, right? I don't panic because I know long term these are currencies that I believe are going to do well. And so I encourage you to also do that before buying any investment, really, even if it's not crypto, even if it's stocks, even if it's real estate. Step number one is always to do your research to know what you're buying, and then start in a way where you're not taking too much risk, and just allocate a portion of your income that you can afford, that's convenient for you, to start buying slowly, bit by bit. You know, there's a saying that says, how do you eat an elephant? A bite at a time. You know, I said in my other video that growth takes time. You know, a lot of people are in a rush to make money, but growth takes time. You don't you don't give birth to a child today, a baby today, and it becomes a full-grown adult, you know, next month or 6 months' time. It's a process. Growth takes time. It takes years to become a full-grown adult. And it's the same thing with investments and building wealth and trying to make money. It does take time. You know, it takes years. It takes years. It's not an overnight thing. It's not get rich quick. But I want to show you what that journey looks like, number one, and I want to go through that journey with you, number two. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow along with this journey of growing a very small account. I mean, imagine now we're just sitting at $200, but by the end of the year, who knows where we'll be, right? And if you're sitting at a balance of 0 today, and you start taking small actions today, by the end of the year, those small actions you've taken, you're going to be in a better position financially. Are you going to be a millionaire? Probably not. But are you going to be a little bit closer to financial freedom? Yeah, because you're going to have something put away that's growing, that's working for you, as opposed to not having anything at all, right? So that's the journey. And if you want to follow along, make sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and make sure you like this video as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you're going to be following along, I will see you in the next video. Peace.